Thursday Cooking with Kevin. This week we are doing a lemon dump cake. I had a little bit of issue trying to find the ingredients, but I did manage to get them together. So we need 2 cans of lemon pie filling. Unfortunately, there's one thing I couldn't get, so I ended up getting the Sheriff lemon pie filling that I have to cook up first for this recipe. So I'm going to show you how to prepare it with the first package. I have to do 2 because that is about equivalent of 2 cans. 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm cheap, so I went for the Walmart brand, cheap. And then a package of lemon cake. And then a 1/2 cup salted butter, and you'll need 4. Well, I need 4 eggs because I need it for the pie filling. Anyways, I'm going to stop you there, and I'll bring you over to the stove, and you can see how we put the lemon pie filling together. Okay, so for the Sheriff lemon pie mix, we are going to, in the saucepan, we're going to lightly beat 2 egg yolks. We're going to add 1/3 cup of cold water. We're going to stir it, and then we're going to add in the pouch of the lemon pie filling. Then we're going to add 2 cups of hot water, and then we're going to bring it to a medium-high heat, stirring it constantly. And when the bubbles first break the surface, we'll continue to boil for about 30 seconds. We'll remove it from the stove, and then we'll stir in a tablespoon of butter. We'll let it cool. As it cools, it will also thicken. Okay? Oh, sorry. I have to separate my yolks from the whites. I'll be back. All right, they're separated. I already put them in. Stir the water. So make sure I'm doing this right. Yeah. And then we're gonna, whoop, everything's falling apart. Whisk this in until it's smooth. Get some hot water. Okay, 2 cups. Sure. 2 cups of hot water. And we're just going to bring this up to a boil. Okay. So it's not very exciting seeing this kind of stuff boil. So when we're ready to put the cake together, I'll bring you back. Okay, now for the easy part. The pie filling's all done, cooked up, and preheat your oven for 350. Now what we're going to do is we are going to slice up our cream cheese. I'm actually going to split it down the middle here. And make sure it's not too warm. Otherwise it's going to stick together a little bit. And then we're just gonna cut it. We're gonna take it and you're just gonna push it down into the pie filling. Yeah, I should have flattened the other one a little bit too. Just move it over. Okay, let's rinse my hands off. And open up our lemon cake mix. And we're just going to sprinkle it evenly all over the okay, just take it, give it a little bit of a wiggle, a little bit of a shake, and we're going to take that half cup of butter and just place it on top just like this. Okay, then it's going to go in the oven, 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Bring it back when it's all ready for tasting. Okay, it's done. I'm going to just... Can you try and center it just a little bit? There. Okay. So I can take a pretty picture. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna mix it because I am not a fan of plain cream cheese.
Oh, I love it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you just mix up the cream cheese.
And you have to hit, because there's only like 6 pieces of cream cheese the way it is. I think I would do it different. Because I was going by the picture, and the picture kind of showed it with just the slabs of cream cheese on it. I think what I would do is cut them in smaller pieces and put them in. But I mean, yeah. But no, that was good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I love lemon stuff because I find it refreshing.
Mm-hmm.
Did you tell them about how you had a hard time finding lemon stuff?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. With the Sheriff lemon pie filling's fine, but it's still a little warm. Mm-hmm. So I mean, it has to cool down and set again, but
it's yummy warm.
I can't eat too much.
You know what? I'm reminiscing of my mother making lemon meringue pie.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I can't eat a lot of that. It's too sweet for me. Mm. Yeah. I love lemon meringue, but with the cake mix on top, it just makes it too sweet for me. Mm. So, but it's still good. Don't get me wrong. Mm-hmm. All right, folks. Thanks for joining us again this week. Yeah, who knows what I'm going to make next week, because Kelly will certainly tell me. Mm-hmm. So, all right. Thanks a lot, and have a good week, folks. Bye now.